maybe you were thinking about that here we have only one line. So anytime it will print this line or this line, and it depends on the result of this condition. But here, of course, you can have more lines. Okay, for example, test 1. And here we can have more lines as well. For example, test 2. So if I will print it or run the code, so 5 is equal to 5, it's true. So this part will be print. Okay, and you can see it's true, test 1. It's true, test 1. If I will write something like, I don't know, 5 is less or equal than 0, it's not true, it's false, right? So it will print this part, and you can see it's false, test 2. Okay, it's false, test 2. So it means the indent is very important here. Okay, you need to indent your text properly. So if I do something like this, what does it mean? It means that this is not part, okay, of the condition. So the else part is only this, okay, because this is there is no indent. So this is the code behind or after the condition. So this is the condition, and this is the code below. Okay, so if I will run it, this is I will run something different. 5 is equal to 10. It's false, right? So it will print this part, and after that it will continue and print this part as well. So maybe I will run it or I will do it in a different way, like this. Maybe it will be better. Okay, 5 is equal to 5. What does it mean? Is this true? Yes, it's true. So it will print this and this, else part will be skipped, and after that it will print test 2. Okay, or I will write here code after condition, for example, like this. And if I will run it, it is true and test 1, that's correct. But after that it will print code after condition. Okay, so it means if it will be false, 5 is equal to 15, it's false, right? It will print this, but after that it will print this as well, because it is after the condition. But be careful, this is not a part of the else condition part. Okay, I will run it, it is false. Okay, it is this, and code after condition, it is this. Okay, so now this is not a part of the condition, and it's a very important concept. So if I put it here, now it is a part of the else else part of the condition. Okay, now it's a part of this block of the code. So I hope you got it, and be careful, because the first thing, indent is very important, and the second thing, don't forget the column. It's a very or it's a mistake which happens very often.